Mr. Goat?
I heard reading is so delicious, so I made myself some lunch.
Whoa, books are for reading, not for eating, Mr. Goat.
They are?
Yeah, reading can be so delicious when you sign up for the summer reading program at the Palatine Library. Come on, I'll show you. Starting on June 1st, just go to our homepage, www.palatinelibrary.org, and click on the Summer Reading button. There, you can sign up, log your progress, and share reviews of your books. Participate throughout the summer to earn a halfway prize and a t-shirt once you complete the program.
Wow, that was so easy. This shirt looks tasty.
Shirts are for wearing, not for eating, Mr. Goat.
They are.
Yeah. Hey, you should come to the summer reading kickoff on June 2nd and come earn your first summer reading button. You can come to all our programs throughout the summer and collect them all.
That's great. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to finish my lunch.